Hi there. Today everybody talks about the Internet of Things, and one way to get hands-on without really being forced to dig too much into it is playing around with little bits. We have done that today, connected our bits to the cloud and our mobile phones. I'll show you how.
Little bits are small circuits that are very easy to put together, and there are many different types of circuits that you can actually play around with. The setup we have today has a power supply, then we have an input unit, which is a microphone, then we have an output unit, which is the LED, then there is a cloud module where we can connect via Wi-Fi, and lastly there is the module that is connected to a step motor. As the input is a microphone, you can see I can make an input with my fingers like this, and you can see the reaction on the output module, which is the LED. As already mentioned, I have connected my cloud module via my Wi-Fi connection to the little bit side. You can see the green light here shows that we are connected. I can give input to my little bits on this button, or I can give a lever input by turning this input from 0 to 100. Here I can read the inputs at my little bits, both in the analog way or in digital way with the numbers. If this, then that is the service that I can also use, and I will show that a little bit later. Now, if I press the button here, you can see that the step motor turns around. So this is kind of a digital input, either one or the other position. But I can also turn the lever here, and I can actually set the step motor in the positions from one end to the others, turning it around in the position that I wanted to have at any given time. Now, if we move over to the input from the little bits, you can see if I make this sound here, you will see the light, and you will also see the lever turning on my PC. There's a little delay because of the Wi-Fi connection through the router. I can also get a numeric reading, either 1 or 99, so it's still pretty digital. I told you before about if this then that. It's a great service on the web where you can link tons of different informations together with different dependencies. So if you have one condition, let's say you have a weather forecast or it's raining at home, or you get an email for somebody special, you can turn on your light, or your light at home can change color, whatever, depending on all the equipment that you have. Here is the place where you can put it all together. Time will not allow to go through all the different services here, so take a look at it yourself. The interesting thing here is that I have created a few rules and connected it to my little bits. So here you can see some of the rules that I have here. I have the condition that if there's an input on my little bit here to the left, I get an output to the right, which in this case is an SMS. So I have linked the little bit cloud module to if this, then that, and I have created also a link to an SMS, which can be communicated to my mobile phone. So I'm actually getting more mobile phone connected with the little bits. Now I turn the rule on, and I will get a message as soon as I make a noise over here. So let's try it. The lamp is on, and then we just have to wait anxiously to see what's happening on the phone here. Yeah, actually, there it is. All right, let's see what it says. Knock, knock. It works fantastically. So we'll turn it off, because otherwise every time I make a noise I'm going to get an SMS, and I don't want to have that. So let's try the other way around. Here is the service that I can send a message. In this case I have defined that the word should be on, so I have to put hashtag on my phone, and I will just try to do that here. See, hashtag on, so to get it right here, and then enter, and then let's see what happens on the other side. Now I should get some reaction here. Voila! it works fantastically. Try this at home. It's really fun, guys.